Yo guys, it's Badger here, and today we're gonna have a look at this little children's camera, and as you see it has some really nice pattern going on it, and yeah, what it actually is, a real camera. They can take pictures of these, and let's power that on so you actually get an idea what this looks like. So here you all have your little SD display, so your child can actually see what it is taking a picture of. So that is kind of exciting, I guess. And yeah, a bunch of different options. You can even record stuff, so that's pretty great as well, at least if you ask me. Um, and besides that, there's like a bunch of settings to prepare um, your item. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Our little one has quite a bunch of fun with it because she can just run around, take pictures, and be like, "Hey, mom, look at what I found!" Blah blah blah. And yeah, it's pretty exciting. So yeah, I call it a day. I see you around, you guys. My name is Badger. Take care. Until next time, and bye bye.